Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I will show you how to fix the WhatsApp status not showing problem in just a few quick steps. Okay, let's get started. First, now click on the aeroplane mode and on aeroplane mode and off your aeroplane mode. Okay, and check your internet connection. See my internet connection complete. Okay, and now tap on WhatsApp app and click on the I button and click on the force stop and click on the okay, scroll down, then click on the storage option and clear cache and clear data. Okay, back and click on the permission option and allow all permission. Call logs allow, camera allow, contacts allow, location allow, microphone allow, music and audio allow, nearby device allow, notification allow, and photos and videos allow, and SMS. Okay, allow all permission. Okay, back and click on the Play Store and now search here WhatsApp and click on the WhatsApp and check your WhatsApp update. My WhatsApp app already updated. Okay, back, then click on the restart option. Click on the restart option and reopen it in your phone, and now click on the WhatsApp app and click on the updates. See WhatsApp status option showing. Okay, your problem has been solved successful. Please subscribe my YouTube channel.